What happened?
I'm stuck.
What happened? Oh boy, oh boy. Hi.
Yeah, you're a big girl. Put some stuff in your cart. Put some stuff in there. And put this in there. Put that in your cart.
Okay, let me back up. Let me back up a little.
Alright, let's do it again.
Okay.
Go back here. Reverse.
Reverse, okay.
Let's do it again.
Well, Michigan State and Ohio State were each 6-1 going into the game yesterday. That's why it's supposed to be such a big deal. I know, that's what I'm saying. That's why it was such a big deal. Is they were supposed to have a really good competition.
Yeah, you want to put some groceries in there? We'll put some groceries in? Yeah, let's put some wagon wheels in there. We'll put some fish in there. Put it in here. We put Huck in there. And some pizza. We'll get some pizza at the grocery store. We're going to stop in for a snack break.
Yeah.
We'll put some
Sort of like
wagon
at
wheels in there.
Costco when they have the little samples out.
Oh yeah, shake it up.
When you guys